Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, yesterday in the House, the Minister of Finance echoed claims by the insurance companies that they've enjoyed very minimal profits. The Minister said it was a fact that insurance companies are receiving about 3% in their ROE profit margins. Mr. Speaker, does the Premier stand by this claim?
Premier.
Minister of Finance.
Finance.
So, Mr. Speaker, the member opposite from that bench talked about the ROE. We are trying to express and make note of the fact that the ROE, if we were to take the return on premium, that which was calculated in Alberta, for example, the return on premium in Ontario would actually be at 5 to 6%, which is the lowest in any province in this country.
Two supplementary.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. An independent report written by a long-time insurance industry actuary prepared for today's auto insurance hearings actually shows the industry had, in fact, over $1 billion of profits last year, and that the ROE calculated would be something in the range of 14%. That's 4 times higher than what the minister claimed yesterday. Is the Premier ready to admit that they may be wrong about the actual profits that the insurance industry is making?
Minister of Finance.
So, Mr. Speaker, I've just explained that there's a great difference between this ROE calculation, which we've already advanced and told the Fisco that on the rolling scale we want it to reduce. It is a formula-based system, and we expect the rate to fall further. But let's be clear, it's the difference between the ROE and the return on premium. And it doesn't seem, and I appreciate that there's misunderstanding over there because it's a complicated initiative and it's a complex issue. We understand that. But we will continue to say that we will review, we're overhauling the formula further to make it more transparent for all drivers. But as I've stated, when you compare Ontario to the rest of Canada, the return on premium versus, for example, in Alberta, in Ontario it's 5 to 6%, which is lowest anywhere in the country.
Thank you. Final supplementary.
Well, what we know, Mr. Speaker, is that we're paying the highest rates in the province, in the country, so that's something we need to fix. It seems like this government is ready to break speed records when it comes to helping the insurance industry, but they slam on the brakes when it comes to helping out drivers in this province. Over the past 5 years, the industry has enjoyed billions in dollars in savings due to auto insurance reforms. The government has already taken out billions in costs from the system, but for drivers, the rates continue to climb. Salil from Mississauga watched this summer as his rates increased by $500 to over $3,000 a year. That's with no new claims, no new car, and no accidents. The minister simply got his facts wrong, and now the government has a choice. Will they stand up for drivers who deserve a break?
Question.
Or will they keep helping the insurance industry maintain their record profits?